From laundry rooms to kitchens and everywhere in between, care homes must follow strict standards to ensure the safety of their residents. So, if you're running a care home, then having the correct commercial equipment in place is vital. At JLA, we've worked closely with the care home sector for more than 50 years. We're proud to be able to supply thousands of care homes with the critical equipment that keeps residents safe, bed sheets clean and baths warm. To help you find the right washing machine for your care home, we've put together this short film that outlines what you'll need to consider when selecting a washing machine for your care home. The healthcare sector relies on the highest levels of cleanliness to keep residents safe. This is why it's so important to purchase equipment that helps you fulfill your legal obligations to the Care Quality Commission, CQC, and the Department of Health's Health Technical Memorandum, HTM 0104 regulations. In a care home, disinfection must be achieved in every wash cycle where the linen has been classified as infectious. To ensure performance and compliance, you need to use commercial laundry equipment. You also need to ensure you run heavily soiled laundry on an appropriate cycle, which includes a sluice and a pre-wash. When drying laundry, it's also important that you use safety-focused commercial dryers that will reduce risk. You should also dry linen and clothes immediately after washing and remove items from the dryer as soon as they are dry. For the ultimate in laundry disinfection, take a look at our Otex disinfection system, which provides a verifiable way to meet HTM 0104. Otex is also available with a validation unit that monitors the amount of ozone being injected into the wash process and provides a printed receipt confirming the cycle has achieved disinfection. This then provides you with the audit trail you need for CQC inspections. Otex is clinically trialled and proven to remove all traces of coronavirus and kill 99.999% of other harmful bacteria, molds, and yeasts. What's more, Otex also achieves disinfection at ambient temperatures, helping keep energy consumption to a minimum. Our range of smart washers and dryers are perfect for care homes. They come in a range of sizes to suit small, medium, or large facilities and come with a ton of features that make efficiency and energy savings. The smart machines are also Otex ready. Our JLA 98 machines are also a great choice for smaller care homes. It comes with a 9.5 kilogram capacity and a drum volume of 201 litres. It's ideal for everyday multi-load use and allows you to do more in less time. The JL898 commercial washing machine is RAS approved Category 5. It's also WTL approved and complies with CQC requirements. If you want to find out more about how our machines can help, check out some of the other videos in this series or get in touch with one of our experts today. Thanks for watching.